So let me talk about benefits of investing. Investing helps compound capital. And what I mean by compound capital is that if you say have 100 rupees, you need to, generate returns out of that 100 rupees. And the return that you need to generate should be more than the cost of inflation. So if inflation is 4% and the returns that you're making is less than 4 or equal to 4, you're not generating enough capital for future. Hence, to counter inflation, investing in equities is important. The second is that investing brings in discipline. And what I mean by discipline is that there are chances of you spending your money for things which are not required, things are unwanted. By keeping aside some money in investing, you're able to again generate some returns out of it, which helps you in the future. Third important aspect about investing is the returns from this investment can be used for purposes of retirement. Wedding generally in India, a lot of the wealth which is created is spent for son and daughter's wedding, and in hay times when some in times of emergency, the money is required. The money which has been invested and which has compounded helps you for those needs. The importance of investing early in life, it's very, very critical to start at an early age. This biggest question that we get is how can I invest when my salary is too little? People say I don't make enough to save, and you want me to not just save, you want me to, invest that money which I'm saving for, maybe buying a gift, buying clothes. How can I do that? But, it is very important to understand that a small portion of your earnings, of your salary, should go into investments. Age is very critical in investing. It has a great influence on the amount of risk that you can take. Investing early helps you, it gives you a chance to make mistakes, fix the mistakes at an early age. When it gets too late, the chances of mending the errors is difficult. Importance of investing early, there are two key things in investing. First is there's a lethal combination which is required to multiply wealth. First is reinvestments of your earnings. The second important is time. You have to give time to your investments. The combination of reinvestment of earnings and time is the compound interest. And as Albert Einstein had said, that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. I'll just give you an example. Say you invested 1,000 rupees per month for 25 years when you were 35 years old. That gives you a total investment of 3 lakh rupees for that 25-year duration. Assume that this money gives you return of 10% per annum. At the end of 25 years, the future value of that money will be around 13.5 lakhs, which is 4.5 times the money that you have invested. But the same thing if you started 10 years prior for a period of 35 years, 4.2 lakh rupees would be invested for 35 years. The future value at the rate of 10% would be 38 lakhs, which is 9 times the money. So it's making you 2 times the money versus you investing 10 years later. So that is very important to understand. By investing earlier, the multiplication is much, much higher than investing later. I'll just talk about, India, and, we love watching cricket, and, India is always, I'll give you a context with cricket. Like in a test match, the longer that you are at the crease, the greater the chances of you making a century. And what I mean by that is, by longer in the crease, by starting early investing, the greater the chances of you making a century, the more the money you can make by investing. There may be difficult deliveries that you'll face, but you'll pass through that. There will be tough periods, but you need to inculcate, temperament and attitude like Rahul Dravid. You have to build the innings. By building the innings, you score more runs, right? So you have to try thinking about investment just from a month, a quarter's perspective. Don't think about it that will I make money in the next 1 month or in the next 2 months. Invest in the right opportunities, the right product, and let it be. It's the same, what Hero Motors, ad says, fill it, shut it, forget it. That's what we need to do. So my personal experience of investing at an early age. So I was always, always loved the field of investments and, equity markets. I started at a very early age. I started actually when I was in junior college. Some pocket money that was given to me by my parents, part of it I used to save and I used to invest in the markets. During that time, the understanding was limited. I used to watch, financial news, listen to people give tips on the channel, buy something, and always be very happy by making 2% on that money. Used to take tips from people. Everyone loves taking tips on where to invest. I used to take tips. Sometimes make money, sometimes lose money. Once I did that for 5 to 6 months, I used to prepare a sheet and see how much money I've made at the end of 5-6 months. I realized that, the excitement of making money in one day and then losing money the other, after 6 months, I realized that I actually lost money more than making money. I started reading books and I realized that short-term investment really doesn't lead to anything. It just gives you unwanted fear or and excitement at times when you're making money. But real wealth is created when it's invested for the long term. So this learning I got at a very early age when I was in college, and it made me realize that you have to invest for the long term. You have to be in the right opportunity, be it direct investment, be it through a product. Your capital allocation is critical, but whatever the allocation is, it has to be for the long term. It's always, it's important to understand that money saved is money earned. So invest in the right product, invest where you can generate returns which are beating inflation, invest in products which are giving you returns higher than the risk that you're taking. Do not invest for a short term, invest for the long term and start investing early.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.